Welcome back to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing a dining review of Teppan Edo, located in the Japan Pavilion of Epcot at Walt Disney World. This is a fun and unique dining experience at Disney World known as Teppanyaki style cooking, where you sit around a long table and the chefs cook the dishes right in front of you. We loved watching the chefs and their knife cutting and cooking skills, and they even throw in some hidden Disney elements to look for. Teppan Edo is open for lunch and dinner, and dining reservations are highly recommended. Menu options include a variety of choices, including steak, chicken, seafood, vegetables, paired with noodles and rice, as well as other appetizers and sushi rolls. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us today. If you like what you see, we welcome you to come and visit our channel for more dining reviews around Disney World just like this. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know in the comments below if you've ever visited Teppan Edo and what your experience was like.
Arrived in Japan right on time for our reservation.
So the Japan Pavilion is really expansive. They have a really large gift shop here too with lots of cool stuff. They have, I know our kids love it because they have Animal Crossing and Mario toys and plushies. So they love that.
A lot of really authentic
some
Japanese
really
stuff.
Beautiful waterfalls and gardens back in here. So come back and explore the Japan Pavilion. It's really pretty. Up here is the Katsura Grill. This is the quick service location. You can get sushi, you can get rice.
Yeah, pretty much your kind of standard quick service if you wanted to, if you feel like Japanese.
So then up here on the second level, you'll see there's the Tokyo Dining, which is one of the not quick service, but there's actually sit-down restaurant locations, as well as Teppan Edo.
They're pretty moderately priced.
Yeah. Tokyo Dining is more. It is a reservation location. But it actually overlooks the World Showcase. So it's a nice location. You can get reservations there to watch the fireworks show in the evenings if you can time it right.
Yep.
And then Teppan Edo takes up the back side of the restaurant. Shaded up here too, and a beautiful view of the World Showcase Lagoon. And you see in front of us is the red torii gate.
Yeah, this is one of our favorite spots. Take a photo. We actually stood and watched the fireworks show there too, and that was just really cool.
Here, between here and over to Germany is both good spots for watching the fireworks show, as well as on the opposite side. If you're over in Canada or Mexico, both of those sides, kind of in the middle of port of entry. Great location for watching the fireworks show in the evenings. But this is a neat spot too if you want to watch from the Torii Gate. We've done that.
Not to test it. Don't put anything on the grill, please. We're going to go like this.
Appetizers on the menu include edamame, miso soup, and an assortment of tempura, including shrimp and vegetables. They also have a variety of sushi rolls, including a volcano roll, California roll, spicy roll, the sashimi sampler, and a sushi sampler. Entrees include a variety of choices from the filet mignon, New York strip, julienne steak, salmon, shrimp, chicken breast, scallops, or seasonal vegetables. You can also request combinations such as steak and shrimp, steak and chicken, or chicken and shrimp. Add-on enhancements include the Japanese Wagyu strip, lobster tail, sea scallops, grilled shrimp, mushrooms, or spicy calamari. Dessert options include a yuzu mousse cake, mango mousse cake, chocolate ginger cake, a matcha tiramisu, or soft serve ice cream including vanilla, green tea, or swirl. To go with your meal, you can also order beverages, including beer, sake, Japanese-inspired cocktails, Japanese whiskey, and wine.
So we're starting off our meal with some salad. Nice fresh salad with a kind of a ginger lime dressing.
Welcome everyone.
They cook the scallops and the shrimp right here on the grill for the rest of the night.
The ginger and the yum yum sauce. Amazing. Oh, look at that. So it's a volcano bar. Spicy mayo. Alright, so this is the volcano roll, and they actually prepare it on the grill, which is really neat. I didn't realize that. So it's got a spicy mayo, and then shrimp and scallops, or shrimp and scallops. The California roll. That's delicious. It's got some heat though. It's got some spice to it. Oh. Scallops are so good. That's really good.
Everything is Mickey.
Japanese number 3 is sun like sunshine. The number 3 is sun. And number 4 is sheep. Sounds like a lady. Sheep. The number 4 is sheep. And last one, number 5 is goat. Sounds like a goat. But that each is sun, sheep, and goat. That's Japanese number 1, 2, 5. I think I'm putting this in my Japanese. ginger sauce, our yum yum sauce, white rice, and then our steamed vegetables. It's amazing. Spinach, onions, carrots. Looks really, really good. Zucchini. Thank you. It's amazing.
Steamy.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Good. Little thing of ice cream for our anniversary. Very sweet with a little candle in it. And blow it out, honey. Yay. Hey guys. So we just finished our meal at Teppan Edo. What a fun experience that was.
Yeah, it's so fun in
That
there.
was really fun. So that's our first time dining there, and we've heard really good things. But I would say just prepare yourself. It's a dining experience.
Yeah, it takes a little while.
So it takes a while. I think we had a noon reservation. Now it's 1:30.
Yeah.
So it took about an hour and a half. So prepare for that. It does take a good chunk of your day. But highly recommend that. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, really fun. It's a fun experience for kids too. Kind
Yeah.
of dinner and a show.
Yeah, I would love to come back here with our kids. I think they would love it. It is. It's very much like a dinner and a show, very interactive. They cook the food in front of you. So very much like what you would have at a Benihana or another Teppanyaki style restaurant. They do, but everything had very Disney, kind of a Disney flair to it, which was awesome. Everything was Mickey shaped, so that was very sweet.
Yeah.
Our chef was amazing. She did such a great job. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that footage of her cooking her meal. She was so good. And the food was excellent. I really enjoyed the meal. Very filling. So there's a lot of food, more than I could finish. I couldn't finish my whole meal, but it was really good. We got the volcano roll, the salad, and then they serve up your noodles and your vegetables, and then you get your protein. So either shrimp or steak or chicken. So Dave tried the chicken. What do you think of the chicken?
Yeah, it was good standard chicken. You know, nothing super fancy, but really good. It comes with some nice sauce.
Yeah.
It's really about the experience.
Yeah, it really is. I really enjoyed the shrimp. It was a really nice, large, not jumbo shrimp, but large, maybe like large, extra large shrimp. Very nicely cooked. They sear it on that really hot grill. I think they said that was like over 500 degrees.
Yeah.
That grill is super hot, but super fun. And I love that they give you a ginger dipping sauce and a yum yum sauce. I loved the shrimp and that yum yum sauce. Delicious. So definitely recommend that. Yeah, just a really fun experience to come and check out in the Japan Pavilion. Highly recommend it. Again, this was something we're definitely going to be back. We're going to be bringing your kids back here because I think they would have so much fun watching them make the meal, and then I think they would love the food. I think our kids would love those noodles, and our kids like shrimp and chicken and things like that too. So definitely a winner. I think we really enjoyed it. So hope you guys enjoyed this little dining review. And if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. That really helps out our channel and helps support us in helping make more videos. We're making our way around to review a lot of the different restaurants here at Epcot. I think we've reviewed quite a few of them, so we'll post a link down below so you guys can check out some of our other dining reviews here at Epcot and at Disney World. And so we like to get around and try the different restaurants and show you guys exactly what you get at these different restaurants all over Disney World. So hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye.